How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. And you are learning the chapter, you are reading the chapter well. So I hope you have understood the chapter. So now today we are going to start with the question answers. So let us do answer the following questions in brief, as we have already done 4 questions in the notebook. So I am going to explain them. No need to do them again. So your first question is, what is the main controlling organ of the body? हमारा मेन कंट्रोलिंग ऑर्गन कौन सा है बॉडी का? यस, टेल मी. Yes, this is brain. Brain controls all the functions of the body, right? And name the main parts of the nervous system. As I have told you, what are the main parts of the nervous system? Yes, brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Have you understood? 3 of them makes the nervous system, right? Now question number 3. Which part of the body protects the brain? As you know, brain is a very delicate organ. So it is protected inside the bone. And that bone is known as? Yes, right, skull. Next question. What is the function of the eyelids? You know what are eyelids? Yes, eyes के ऊपर जो cover होता है, these are known as eyelids. Eyes का cover. Yes, what is the function of the eyelids? To protect the eyes from the dust. Got it? जब बहुत ज़्यादा dust होती है तो eyelids उनको अंदर नहीं आने देती. They do not allow the dust particles to enter into the eyes, and it protects the eyes. Right? Which sense organ help us to hear? So, हमें कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन होता है जो हमें सुनने में हेल्प करता है? Yes, you are right. These are ears. These are our 2 ears, right? Now, question number 6. A person suffered an accident and his right side of the body is paralyzed. So, which part of the brain is affected in this case? कोई एक इंसान है and he has met with an accident and the right side of the body is paralyzed. So, his right side of the body is not working properly. So, which part of the brain is affected in this case? I have already told you that right side controls the left part of the body and left brain controls the right side of the body. So his right side is affected. It means left side of the brain is affected. Right? Have you understood? Yes. Very good. Now, the last question. Name the different types of nerves in our body? So you know there are 3 different types of nerves in our body. These are sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. You know, sensory nerves, these nerves carry the message from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. And motor nerves take the message from the brain to the different parts of the body, means muscles and glands. And mixed nerves, they take the message in both the direction, either from the sense organs to the brain, or from the brain to the sense organs. I hope you have understood. So you have already done 1 to 4 question answers in the notebook. So now you have to do 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7 in the notebook. Right? I hope you have understood the chapter. You have understood the question answer. Now do them. Bye bye.